Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to put together a paper flower bouquet. This is going to be a little bit different from putting together a fresh flower bouquet just because we're only working with so many flowers that we handmade from the start and then putting it together, so it's a little bit different. So these are going to be some tips that I'm thinking about while I'm putting it together and figuring out what I could do with what I have. So hopefully this helps you with your paper flower bouquet as well. Okay, here's an order for a bouquet. The customer requested 6 flowers in these colors. I have a bit of a formula when I put these bouquets together. I try to have a variety of textures and different shades. I always add 1 branch for 1 flower, only when they are a bouquet order, and each branch has 5 leaves. I make the branches different by doing different shades of green and different leaf shapes, some round and some pointy. I also like to make all my stems longer so I could cut them down instead of regretting them to be too short. I like to add about 1 set of small filler flowers for every 3 big flowers, so I'll be adding these paper lavenders. I like to start with the bigger flowers on the bottom, and I always choose a favorite to be in the center. So for this bouquet, I kind of like the Juliet Rose to be in the center since it's the most neutral to me. Like the dahlias are too pointy, so I don't like them in the center for some reason. And the peony is too big, so I like it usually on the bottom. Then I add the 2 little ones on top. And for some reason, I always tend to do the ranunculus and anemone on the top. Then I'll add the leaves kind of going around on the outside of the bundle of flowers. I also like the leaves on the back to stabilize the bouquet. Since I'm only working with 6 flowers, I make sure they all face the front and assume that the customer will just have the bouquet faced front against a wall or a shelf. Then I'll be adding my lavenders kind of randomly where it feels right, floral taping it and adjust accordingly. Cut your leftover stems to meet in one length, and now it's ready to be wrapped.